Matter of fact, I don't even...
Ketchup, mustard, 2 pickle slices, a handful of diced onions, and a grilled beef patty. In just 30... Ketchup, 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 ketchup.
Mustard or ketchup?
Wow, ice cream. I love ice cream.
Anton, your shift is over. You know, no overtime.
Some people eat snails. They must not like fast food.
Pepsi bottle, a Coca-Cola glass. I don't give a damn.
Beautiful night for a game, right, Bubbles?
You're gonna die.
Not today, asshole. See, you hallucinating.
Huh? What?